I'll show you how to set up your email with your RentAAA rental account quickly and easily. Let's get started. Once you're logged into your RentAAA account, head over to the dashboard. In the top right corner, click on Quick Key. Go to Admin. Select Email Setup. From there, you'll find the SMTP setup option. Click on that and choose Add New Setup. Then add your email. Now, if you're using Gmail, you'll need to generate an app password to connect your email securely. Just follow the provided link. Create a passkey for RentAAA and copy it. Once that's done, return to the email setup page and paste the passkey into the password field. Finally, click Add Mail, and that's it. Your email is now successfully linked to your RentAAA account, and all future emails will be sent through it. Thanks for watching.